Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. Whenever you launch the game, you get a BSOD with VGK.SYS failed issue with different error code. So let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. First of all, head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending at your end, make sure you choose the option download and install to make your operating system up to date. Nextly is right click on Valorant and choose option properties. Click on the compatibility tab and make sure you check mark this particular option, run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and OK button. And thirdly is if you have installed any third party antivirus, make sure you disable it and then try to play the game. These simple fixes are very effective to fix out the issue of VGK.SYS BSOD. However, this failed to work out. Let's proceed with the next step. Head over to C drive, program files, and find Roit Vanguard folder. Open it. Now right click on VGK.SYS and choose the option properties. Here, click on the security tab and click on this edit option. Now check mark the option full control. Then hit apply and OK button. After that, hit the OK button again. Once it is done, close it. Restart your PC and launch the game to fix out the issue of VGK.SYS BSOD while playing the Valorant. If this also failed, I suggest you in next method go ahead and open up your laptop or your motherboard manufacturer website and then try to update your BIOS. Many users have reported that by simply updating the BIOS has fixed out this particular issue of Valorant. Now if updating BIOS doesn't fix out, let's proceed with the next step. Head over to settings menu. Click on the option apps from this left pane. Now here, click on the option optional features. Scroll down and click on more Windows features. Here you need to disable VBS, which is virtualization based security. So here first of all, press the W key to find Windows hypervisor platform. Uncheck these two options, virtual machine platform as well as Windows hypervisor platform. At my end, I have already unchecked both the options. And nextly is press the M key to find Microsoft Defender Application Guard. Again, make sure if it is again tick mark, you need to untick it. Once it is done, hit the OK button. It may ask you to restart the system to save the changes. So don't forget to restart your PC after saving the changes, and this will completely fix out the Valorant BSOD issue of VGK.SYS. If this also failed, I suggest you to do a completely reinstall of Valorant after doing a clean uninstall. For that, again head out to your browser and you need to download a free program which is Revo Uninstaller. Scroll down and under the freeware, click on this portable version. Save it into your system. Once it is saved, open the zip file and unzip the folder inside it. Now nextly is open the unzipped folder and run Revo uport by right clicking and choose the option run as administrator. Now here all the applications that you have installed in your system will be shown. Scroll down and you will find Roit Vanguard as well as Valorant. You need to uninstall both the programs one by one by clicking on each program and click on this uninstall option. Click on the option continue. Now once it is uninstalled, it will ask you to scan. So click on the option scan to find the remaining registries present in your system. Once you find the registries, click on the option select all and then click on the option delete. This will delete the remaining files and completely uninstall the Roit Vanguard. Same thing you need to perform with Valorant also. Once it is done, go ahead, restart your PC and then install Valorant again to completely fix out the issue of VGK.SYS BSOD while playing the Valorant. So this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.